Hello everyone, today I have a Power Street Tower. It's a perfect purchase for charging and using a lot of devices. It has 12 AC outlets. Also it has one USB and two USB ports. It's a perfect purchase for using in the living room, in the office, or some kitchen stuff. It has a 10 feet extension cord which are suitable for some long distance. It's compact, it's lightweight, you can easily take with you for some traveling, for some camping, etc, etc. I think it's a must have in every house, and I highly recommend this. You will like it.